What if I told you there's a country so peaceful and breathtaking that most of its land is empty, and yet its economy thrives on sheep and mountains? Welcome to New Zealand, one of the most unique countries in the world. But why is so much of it uninhabited? Let's uncover the secrets behind this beautiful yet sparsely populated nation. New Zealand, located in the South Pacific, is around 4,000 kilometers from Australia. Many of us first heard about it because of cricket legends like Brendan McCullum and Ross Taylor, or the magical landscapes featured in The Lord of the Rings. Known for its stunning mountains, lush greenery, and organic produce, New Zealand offers a lifestyle comparable to paradise. But there's a fascinating story behind its history and geography that explains why 80% of the country remains empty. A remote land found by chance. New Zealand lies far from most countries. The nearest journey, like from India, takes over 18 hours by air. So how did humans discover this remote island? Around the 13th century, the Polynesians, ancestors of the Maori people, sailed vast oceans in search of better resources. They reached New Zealand and found a land abundant with fish, fruits, and uninhabited space, a dream for their survival. The arrival of Europeans. For centuries, the Maori lived in harmony with the land. But in the 1600s, Dutch explorer Abel Tasman stumbled upon New Zealand, followed by British explorer Captain James Cook. Their arrival sparked conflicts, but soon after, trade and colonization began, with the British gaining control through treaties and settlements. The harsh southern landscape. New Zealand's geography answers why much of it is unpopulated. The southern regions are dominated by steep mountains and infertile lands, making large-scale habitation or farming nearly impossible. The fertile lands in the north attract 70% of the population, with half living in Auckland alone. Sheep and economic strength. Here's an astonishing fact: New Zealand has 6 sheep for every person. This country earns billions exporting sheep meat and wool, making agriculture its economic backbone. With a population of only 5 million, New Zealand generates $46 billion annually from meat exports alone. Efforts to balance population. To ease the pressure on Auckland's housing market, the government offers grants to encourage people to move to smaller towns. However, the challenge of inhabiting the rugged south remains. New Zealand is not just a land of cricket or movie backdrops, it's a country of resilience, resourcefulness, and natural beauty. Despite its empty lands, it has carved a strong position in the global economy, proving that sometimes, small and peaceful is mighty. If you've ever dreamed of visiting or settling here, you now know what makes it so special.